Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, February 10th, 2025, we're analyzing ETHUSD. Recent news indicates a mixed sentiment surrounding Ethereum. While ETF inflows were positive, short positions reached an all-time high. There are conflicting price predictions, with some pointing to a potential pump above $4,000 and others suggesting further decline. Let's look at the charts to see if we can find any clues. Starting with the daily chart, we observe a recent period of consolidation following a significant price surge. We see strong support around $2,000 and resistance at $2,500. The recent surge could be attributed to positive news, such as the $400 million plus ETF inflows and upcoming ETH upgrades in the near future. Let's examine a shorter time frame to better understand this trend. If we switch to the 1-hour chart, we see a more detailed view of the consolidation phase. Within this phase, we can clearly see support levels near 2,600 and resistance levels near 2,700. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can examine recent price fluctuations. For example, the past 48 hours have shown significant volatility, leading to short-term gains and losses. While the daily chart shows a recent upward trend, it's clear that volatility is impacting short-term price movements. We've seen short-term volatility, but looking at the longer picture, let's go back to the daily chart again. Focusing on the past 6 months, we're seeing the 200-day moving average playing a crucial role in determining price direction. Breaks above this average often lead to sustained upward movements. Analyzing the support and resistance levels from all the charts, we can identify key price levels of $2,000, strong support, $2,500 resistance, and $4,000 potential breakout point. Reaching the $4,000 mark would likely trigger significant buying pressure, with a high probability of a subsequent price pump. Short term, the ETHUSD price is likely to experience significant fluctuations due to the market's volatility. However, in the long term, the combination of ETF inflows, major upgrades, and the overall bullish sentiment make the market more favorable for a long position. If we see a decisive break above $2,500, it would reinforce the likelihood of the $4,000 prediction. A break below $2,000, on the other hand, could trigger more significant short-term losses. In summary, ETHUSD is in a state of flux. While there are conflicting predictions, the current situation presents both opportunities and risks. A decisive break above the $2,500 resistance level is something to look out for. Continued positive news and strong volume would reinforce the probability of reaching $4,000, while a break below $2,000 would signal further potential downsides.